but it takes more than similar specs to compete with the top two-in-ones available today, and the compromises presented by the Notebook 9 Pen may be too great to convince some users. Hold the Notebook 9 Pen while blindfolded, and you may think it's a device that follows the same design language as modern Ultrabooks. But open your eyes and you'll be disappointed. While the Notebook 9 weighs just 2.2 pounds, its design makes it look like it could be a much heftier machine. It is not the most felt convertible available, and its thick chassis, big hinges, and unchallengingly wide bezel surrounding the display give this two-in-one more an antiquated, boring feel. Compared to HP Spectre X360, the Dell XPS 13 laptop, and even the ThinkPad X1 Carbon, the Notebook 9 Pen feels more 2013 than it does 2018. Its shell might not be as sophisticated as what some of the competition offers, but the Notebook 9 Pen boasts many useful hardware features. It is made of a special material called Metal 12, a mixture of a magnesium and aluminum that Samsung specifically developed to keep the Notebook 9 Pen light while also durable. I didn't drop the convertible while using it, but it did withstand some bumps and dings caused by haphazard handling. The 13.3-inch FHD touchscreen shines bright, produces vibrant colors, and responds quickly to touch and S Pen input. We'll dive into the S Pen features in the future section, but know that Samsung's signature stylus lives in an embedded slit in the front edge of the laptop's chassis. The Notebook 9 Pen also has a fingerprint reader and an IR camera for two types of Windows Hello biometric authentication. I'm not crazy about the fingerprint reader's location, as it encroaches on the right shift key space and forces it to be about half the size of the left shift key. Samsung could have easily put the fingerprint reader on the right palm rest, like Lenovo did with the same sensor on the X1 Carbon. While the Notebook 9 Pen is slightly smaller than the 14-inch X1 Carbon, the palm rest wouldn't have felt any smaller if it had had the fingerprint reader embedded to it. An interesting array of ports stamps the Notebook 9 Pen's edges, which is the only positive side effect of the convertible's heft. The left edge holds a charging port, an HDMI port, a USB Type-C port which supports speeds up to 5 GB per second, 4K display out, and charging, and the headphone mic combo jack, while the right edge holds a USB 3.0 port, a micro SD card slot, and the power button. The proprietary charging port wastes valuable space. The only real benefit is that it supports fast charging with Samsung's provided cable. Since the one Type-C charging port supports regular charging, I would have preferred Samsung nix the proprietary port and stick another Type-C, preferably Thunderbolt 3 port on the Notebook 9 Pen. I wouldn't be surprised if many users abandoned the provided charging cable for a longer, more convenient Type-C cable that they already have in their cable arsenal. You're probably familiar with Samsung smartphones, Samsung TVs, and maybe even Samsung's home appliances. People know Samsung for a lot of reasons, but their PC business generally isn't one of them. While the South Korean tech giant sells a number of laptops, it knows that those devices aren't as prevalent in general consumer consciousness as competing Dell, HP, and Lenovo PCs. Samsung wants to change this with the Notebook 9 Pen. The new flagship convertible packs in many of the features you'd expect of a 2018 Ultrabook. A design with premium materials, an 8th Gen Intel processor, integrated graphics, and biometric security. along with a few classic Samsung creations like the company's S Pen stylus.